Operon Strategist.
Operon Strategist Regulatory Services. Operon Strategist is a medical device regulatory consultancy company which provides regulatory advisory and guidance to various manufacturers in the healthcare industry to ensure the strategic development of these manufacturers. Regulatory services we provide. We provide the clients with regulatory services that include CE marking, US FDA 510K and CDSCO. Let us speak about each briefly. CE mark. To acquire medical device CE mark, the manufacturer must document the product quality, safety, and performance. DHF. The preliminary requirement is the design history file DHF. Technical file. This creates a groundwork for the creation of technical file. With this we cover the product-specific requirements for CE marking. From the facility point of view. ISO 13485. ISO 13485 certification is a mandatory requirement for quality management system. Notified body. Submission of all the files are done to the notified body, who then audits the complete applications and certifies the product. FDA 510K. To acquire US FDA 510K, the manufacturer must document the product quality, safety, and performance under the 510K dossier. DHF. The preliminary requirement is the design history file DHF. 510K dossier. This creates a groundwork for the creation of 510K dossier, as we have done with the CE marking technical file. From the facility point of view. 21 CFR 820. 21 CFR Part 820 is a mandatory requirement for quality management system. Government of USA. Submission of all the files are done to the Government of USA via online portal. US FDA then audits the complete applications and provide us with 510K clearance. In US FDA, the manufacturing facility is audited after the 510K within a stipulated time period. CDSCO. To acquire CDSCO, also known as Indian FDA, the manufacturer. Product details. Indian FDA, the manufacturer must document the product quality, safety, and performance. Device master file. Under the device master file DMF. ISO 13485. There are two stages for this license. One is test license and another is manufacturing license. ISO 13485 certification is a mandatory requirement for quality management system. Government of India. Submission of all the files are done to the CDSCO via online portal, who then audits the complete applications and also audits the facility. Only upon complete assessment the license is issued.